Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to share this awesome find. It is from Hasika, and it's a portable awning. So you can attach this to any vehicle pretty well from the back or from the side, and you can have shading from the sun no matter where you go. So we like to hook this to the back of our trunk. You can still access your trunk even if it's attached there, but you can also use this on the side of a van or even just on the ground. Lots of options. So it fits in this great portable bag. It has a handle. The bag is a similar size to a small tent, so it's really easy to just throw in the back of the car and take with you. Now, my husband is always searching for the shade. He burns very easily, so having this no matter where we are is fantastic. So if you happen to be watching your kids' sports games or you're at the beach or camping, you can easily set this up and sit under it. You can cook under it. You can have a little bit of protection if it starts to rain. It's simple to put together. I love that the instructions are actually sewn onto the bag, so you never have to wonder how it's assembled. It's always with you. In just a matter of minutes, you have this all set up and ready to go. The materials are really excellent quality, so it's resistant to tears and water. It has the flap at the top, so you can open that up if it's especially breezy, and it'll just let the air flow through nicely. So if you're looking for a little escape from the sun or from the elements, this is an excellent option. I love how portable it is and easy to use. We're a huge fan, and that's my point of view.